what lace the cap. That's what she said.
Alright, hey boos, welcome back to a brand new episode on my channel. If you're new, welcome. To the new subscribers, what's up, what it do? Hope you guys are liking it so far here. And to those returning, it's always nice to see you guys. So my sister, you know, she saved me a good bit of time by coming with her hair already braided for this wig install that I'll be doing on her, as you guys will see. And I'm just oiling her scalp. You know, as we know what we do over here, it's all about the health of the hair. So just to keep it healthy underneath a wig. Then I'm going to go with my, I forget the name of it, but I'm going to put it up in bold just to clean where I'm going to be applying the ball cap, the makeup, the glue, and all of that to get her all fancified. And as you guys already know, we're just doing like the ball head method cap way. And I found like this new wig where you, instead of adding the Got to Be free spray to the cap, you add the glue on top of it, dry that up, and then you can go back in with the free spray to give like that melted look, and then you proceed to the next steps, etc. So that's what we're going to be doing here, and then I'm just going to be cutting it up, shaping it to her face. Like you see a little curve, yeah, make sure it's like shaped to her face. I don't really like always like the straight across type method when doing this ball cap method. I kind of like to align it with either my hairline or the person's hairline so it could look more realistic. And yeah, so as I was actually doing this, you want to just make sure that the person that you are installing it on, they're comfortable. You know, ask them here and there, like, does it feel comfy? Is the cap too tight? You know, is it too snug? Sometimes, you know, the person may want the glue to be like a little bit lower, or just really around their, like, mimicking their hairline. Also, I really didn't go on top of her edges. Like, it's not even on her hair at all. I try to really stay away from the person's hair, my hair, because we are not trying to lose no edges for no reason. Like, no. Also, when you're going with a blow dryer, you know, you have the cool temperature. We have that cool temperature for a reason. This is the reason. This is why it was invented, guys. Now I'm playing, but real talks, I'm sorry, sis. I think I burned her over here. Yeah, I was just like, damn, that cool setting needs to come in handy. She gave me that look like, girl, you burning me and you know exactly what you're doing. Let me see if you like it too. I didn't like it. I really didn't like it, but I was just like, it's really nothing. But yeah, make sure that you use the cool setting here and there, so it doesn't burn the person or yourself if you're doing this on yourself. And yeah, just rotate between warm and cool. So now I'm just going back in with the free spray to really give it a more melted look. And then we're going to dry it up once more. We're going to cut it. We're going to apply the makeup. We're going to do all of that. And I think I'm going to be done speaking for now, because pretty much, you know, this is like any other video, but this is just my video that I've decided to like post up for you guys. So it's pretty self-explanatory. If there is anything that I left out or anything you want to know more in details, let me know. I will redo another video explaining anything else that I probably left out or that you want to know. But I feel like I covered pretty much everything. The wig that we're using, give me one moment. The wig that we're using is from the Xrsbeautyhair.com. It is in like a chocolate color. I would say like between, not a color 4, color 4 I feel is a little bit dark. So I feel like it's like a color 6 or 8. And it is a like HD lace front wig. I do style it for her. I give her some curls. You know, this was actually her first time ever wearing like a lace front wig, having it glued down and all that. And she came to her seat. She's like, "Sis, can you do this for me?" And I said, "Girl, yes, I can." Actually, I lie. I asked her if she's down, and she got the wig and she came through. And once again, thank you again, Britt. And we did that. So I'm really happy that this was her first time getting a lace frontal installed, and she allowed me to, you know, apply it for her. I'm really excited and happy at how great it came out. She was really feeling herself. I'm trying to add in some clips of how like sis was feeling herself, and I don't blame her. Like, why the hell not? Like, listen, any girl that if she gets her eyebrows done, her hair done, whatever done, and she didn't turn into her alter ego after, she playing innocent, okay? Because everyone who gets done up after a while or the first time, trust me, that alter ego comes out instantly, and I'm here for it all day, every day. I love to see people feel themselves. I love feeling myself, and yeah, it was just a great experience. So I'm done battling for right now, and the rest of the video I'm going to be playing music. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hope you guys make it to the end of the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below so I can know, how y'all feel. And as per usual, stay blessed and stay blessed. Wow, stay blessed and stay blessed. Stay blessed and stay safe, and see y'all in my next video. Ciao.
and/or expenses in order to save up enough money.
y'all. She said that's
It would
scalp
be nice to
fold.
have a father. Because I imaginate things in my head like traveling the
Let
world.
me humble myself
Taking my dad
for the
places and
Lord.
living the best life with my dad. Same shit that I did with my mom, I would love to do with my dad. But you see what he has done to me? I don't know if I could ever.
Is it scalping?
I don't know if the goodness of my heart.
Can we do my
I
eyebrows?
don't know if I'm ready
Better go
to
do it tomorrow.
She said.
My heart's been broken.
She said what lace the cap. That's what she said.